I'm going to be installing an hour meter on this Raptor. It's a Hustler Raptor. Some of them, the higher grade models, come with an hour meter, and it's located right there, and you can see the little indentation where there's a cutout under this plastic piece for the hour meter. We will cut that out and we will install the hour meter. All I think I need is a 7/16 socket or wrench for that little bolt right there. Let's get after it. So first thing we want to do is cut the plastic out where that is supposed to go, where the hour meter is supposed to go. There's also another one right here. I want the hour meter right there. As if you look at the Hustlers, that's where the hour meter is located. Not exactly sure what goes there, but that's where the hour meter goes. So I'm going to take a sharp knife, press down it where I see the indentation. And the hour meter is going to fit a little large on this, so it's going to cover that hole up anyway. Could stop there and just push it down in there like that, and I may try that. I may go ahead and do that. Just push that down and let it stay instead of cutting it completely out. Now we take out the bolt that holds that panel in. Don't lose your screw. Don't drop it down in there. Alright, this has a little tongue or a flap that goes up in there. So you pull it up and out. That little thing right there goes up in there when you reinstall. On this is already pretty much wired up, ready to go. Got a black and a red just hanging there because they knew that they probably use this same panel on and same wiring diagram and harnesses and all that on several of them. That some that do, some that don't have hour meters. So we bought this hour meter on Amazon. I will put a link to that below. It's a Husqvarna. It not only shows the hours, but if you push the button, it says oil change in 50 hours, and it counts down. So that's pretty cool, pretty cool. So we're going to press this in here. It's got tabs that will lock it in place. Hopefully we can do it without cutting any more of that plastic. Not exactly sure, we'll find out. Don't press, when you press down, don't press on this. Press on the outside edges. Don't press on that LED screen. Pops right in there. I'm going to put the black wire. If you'll see, you can see that you have one spade here and two here. I'm going to put the black wire right here on the one facing the forward, and I've got the meter where I can read it while I'm sitting in the seat. In other words, it will be read from this direction. And then put the red wire right there. Clip it in there. I'm going to go ahead and slide that back in, and that. Let's get the key. Now you are looking at the hour meter upside down. Again, I'm sitting right here in the seat, and I want to be able to gaze down over my right shoulder on the hour meter. So as the storm rolls in, we got a little thunder coming. I'm going to turn this switch on, and you'll see that this little hour symbol right there starts blinking. When the key's on, it's recording time spent. So it's done. I'll crank it in just a minute to show you, but we're going to turn that off right now. If you left yours, we're going to leave yours outside. Mine is going to be barn kept. If you're going to leave yours outside, you might want to put, before you install this, put just a small amount, a small bead of some kind of silicone sealant, something that doesn't get hard and is going to be a glue, but some kind of silicone sealant, and push it down in there because you wouldn't want any water getting down in there. It's a pretty tight fit, but may not get water in anyway. But if I was going to leave mine outside, I would probably silicone it. Okay, there's the screw. Tighten it back down. Took about 2 minutes or less, and we are in business. Let me show you. Let me crank it up and show you. Okay, so here we are running. Our meter's flashing. $20 for that. 21, 22, something like that for that. And it will tell you when to change the oil, tells you how many hours you have on it for any other service. And if you have a zero turn or even a lawnmower, riding mower, would not hurt you whatsoever to put an hour meter on it. Not all of them may be rigged for hour meter like this one was, with the 2 wires just hanging there ready for me. But you really need to put one on there. So again, I'll put a link below to the Amazon where I found this one on Amazon, and put your one on. Too simple not to. Just a couple of minutes. Okay, I left the key on for a few minutes just to show you that it is working. It has 0.1 hour on it right now. So installed right, that's the way to do it on this Raptor. As the rain comes down, pounding on the barn, we got an hour meter now. This is way too easy not to do yourself and way too inexpensive. The hour meter is around $21, $22. Ships free on Prime from Amazon. The Husqvarna has the 2 functions with the oil, let you know when to oil change, and well, let's press that and see what it says. Oil in 49.9, so it's counting down. It was 50, you remember that. So works like a champ. You need one, get you one. All right, we're gone.